Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a number such that 1/5 of the number is 40 less than the original number. And thus we have to find the value of the number. So let the required number be x. Therefore, according to the question, it has been given that x minus 1/5 of the original number, that is x, so it will be x upon 5, will be equals 40. Now let's simplify this. So 5x minus x will be equals 40 multiplied by 5. So 5x minus x will become 4x. So 4x will be equals 40 multiplied by 5. Now in order to find the value of x, we have to divide both sides of the equality by 4. So x will be equals 40 multiplied by 5 divided by 4. So 40 multiplied by 5 divided by 4. 4 will cancel out 40 and will produce 10, and 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. Therefore, the required number is x equals 50. Therefore, x equals 50 is the original answer. Upon checking the options, we see that option D will be our required final answer. Thank you.